friends, my name is Arjun Malik and today we will make an animation. So here we will take when this sprite clicked. Take this here and place it. Now when the sprite clicked, take this control and now put forever. Now go to looks. And here take change color effect by 25 or you and change size by 10. Duplicate this, delete change color by effect 25 and put this here. Now do this 10, do this negative. So let's see this. It is not changing its size. That's a problem. So let me take out change size and put it together and place forever in here. Now go to again control. Take a repeat block and now put these two in here. And also don't forget to take this wait 1 second block. So in this code, when this sprite will be clicked forever, change color effect by 25. I mean, it will go rainbow in the rainbow color. And now I can just duplicate this and put this here and take out these. Just put this here and repeat in upward and repeat in here. And now in here, I will go to looks. Take this change color effect by 25 and change and click on this arrow. And now click on ghost. And duplicate this, paste here. Wait. And now negative 25. Now let's see it. Oh, look, yeah, it's going bigger. And then this. So, friends, I take one space bar clicked. Let's put a set size to 100% black. Put here. And now let me click it. Zap! It is going so big. Zap! Now pressing and also I can put this motions go to X. Negative 65 and Y, negative 819. But I won't make this like that. I'll do 0 here and here 0. And I can also do one thing. Go to variables. Just do make a variable take for all sprites. And now let me just write how many clicks have been done. How many clicks have been done? And press OK. And now set how many clicks to 0 here and change how many clicks have been done when this sprite clicked. So let's see. It doesn't go. And if I oh yes, it works. right click. I've changed now. It goes only 100. Now this slide is changing. Uh, let's 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 have a click challenge and make another variable. Timer. Timer. Okay. Timer. And when set, now let's put again this and make it timer. And then let me just do go to events, and when sprite clicked, go to variable, change timer by 0.01. So if I just do this and whoa, oh, but this is a problem. If I do forever, let's see, does it work? Oh, it's going very fast. It's too fast. I needed a little wait. Let me just click again and wait 0.0001 seconds. Now let's see. Oh wow, it is going better. The timer is going, but if I click, it restarts. Yeah, yeah. The timer and done. And change. Let's see. 100 times clicking challenge. It is working. Almost there, and 101 accidentally. 100. Or I can this. Or I can just cheat like this. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.